Great companies aren't built on average talent. In private equity-backed, high-growth businesses, the right operator changes everything. Onward Headhunting partners with founders, operators, and investors to build elite finance, strategy, and operations teams. From early hires to exit-ready leadership, we deliver the talent that drives outcomes. If you are scaling or transacting, go onward. Visit onwardheadhunting.com or find us on LinkedIn to learn more.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. It's been a fascinating week in the markets. We've had a chance to record this week about NVIDIA, which is doing great. The 5 big PE funds, Apollo and more, which are doing poorly. But we've also talked about how people should read their boss on their first jobs. We've also talked about clarifying life and somewhat of a reality, somewhat of a joking episode. And finally, today we'll talk about Microsoft continues to struggle. So here's the deal with Microsoft. It's down as of midweek, about 16 to 18% year to date. It's got a market cap of $3.03 trillion. That is now more than 2.3 or 4 trillion less than NVIDIA. And you got to remember that in terms of what's happened with AI versus software. I wouldn't bet against Microsoft. I'm never betting against Microsoft. I'm an investor in Microsoft, so don't take this as a negative advice on Microsoft. But Microsoft, at the end of the day, is really struggling. It's down that much, and it's in a spot where God knows if it'll ever get back to sort of the top of the Magnificent Seven. For a long time, it was Microsoft, Apple, Google, then NVIDIA flew up ahead of everything. Apple and Google are still in there. Microsoft has come down. So what we really see is Microsoft, regardless of great leadership, continues to struggle. Now, we'll see if that continues and where it goes from here. Brilliant leadership. Satya Nadella is a brilliant, brilliant leader. So we never bet against Microsoft, but the reality is Microsoft keeps struggling. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you very, very much.